Welcome to Learning English Topics.
Hi everyone. Welcome back to Learning English Topics, the best English learning channel on YouTube. Today, we're kicking off our Digital Life series by learning how to use the present perfect tense. Those handy words like have, haven't, has, and hasn't. These are important things to learn in English, especially when talking about technology and daily life. So we're going to learn how to talk about technology, including vocabulary, while also learning some very useful grammar. Now don't worry if you think you don't want to learn about grammar. Many people don't. There are also plenty of examples of conversation and also a quiz to help you to improve your conversation skills, so don't go anywhere. Let's start by taking a quick look at past tenses. We often use the simple past tense, but this only works for past events or actions which have no connection to the present. They started in the past and finished in the past, such as I sent an email to my friend yesterday. Now let's look at the present perfect tense. We use have and has to talk about experiences or actions that happened at some point in the past but are still relevant now. The sentence is formed by using have or has and then the past participle. The past participle sounds complicated. It's not really. In this case, it's just the verb in the past tense, so the verb with ed added. Let's look at some examples.
I have downloaded a new app.
Here's a good example of a present perfect sentence. I have. And then the past participle of the verb download, downloaded. Note that she said I have.
He hasn't updated his phone in weeks.
This time Amy uses the sentence he has, but in the negative, so she says he hasn't. And then the past participle of update, updated.
We have collaborated on a group project about cybersecurity.
In this example, the sentence begins with we have, and then uses the past participle of collaborate, collaborated. Collaborate is a verb that means to work with someone else or a group of others for a special purpose. He has subscribed to Learning English Topics. There, that's another great example of a present perfect sentence. He is subscribed, so that is already in the past, and he is still subscribed now in the present. Maybe you should do the same. Go on. It costs nothing, but it helps us a lot. Now, if we look at the 4 sentences, we can see the final rule we need to get this tense right. The sentences begin, I have, and we have, but he has. We would also say she has, but they is always followed by have. So now we know how the present perfect tense works. Let's see how you can use it in a conversation.
Hi Oliver, how's it going?
Great, thanks, Amy. Hey, have you seen the new photo sharing app, Snappic?
No, I haven't tried it yet. Have you?
Yeah, I have. It's amazing. They've added filters that adjust to your mood.
That sounds cool. I haven't updated my phone in ages though. I'll probably need to do that first.
Definitely. I've been using Snappic for a week, and it's so much fun. I've already uploaded a ton of photos.
I'll check it out tonight. By the way, have you joined the group chat for our coding class?
I haven't joined yet. Have they started discussing the project?
Oh yes, they have. You should join before it's too late.
In this conversation, have you seen, and I haven't tried, ask and answer questions about experiences so far. Similarly, I've already uploaded shows what Oliver has done recently. And have they started checks if an action is complete? Now it's time for practice. I'll show you a sentence, and you decide if it's correct or needs fixing. The first sentence is, she has posted her photos on the app. Is that correct? No. It should be, she has posted her photos on the app. Okay, next sentence. I haven't finished my online course. What about this one? It's wrong again. The correct sentence is, I haven't finished my online course. Sentence 3 is, they have joined the webinar. Once again, this needs fixing. The correct version is, they have joined the webinar. The next one is, has he downloaded the new update? This one is correct. Sentence 5 is, we haven't backed up our files yet. That's perfect as it is. Our next sentence is, the app have crashed 3 times today. What's wrong here? The correct sentence is, the app has crashed 3 times today. How are you doing? Are you getting these right? Don't worry. If not, you can come back again and again if you need to. So, on to the next one. She's already uploaded the video to her channel. Not quite. It should be, she has already uploaded the video to her channel. And we're already on question 8, and this sentence is, have you completed the tutorial on photo editing? This needs fixing. The correct version is, have you completed the tutorial on photo editing? The next sentence is, we haven't shared our location with the group yet. Well done, if you said it's correct. And the final question. He has just sent me a message on the app. Almost, but not quite. The correct sentence is, he has just sent me a message on the app. Now it's your turn. Think about your digital life and answer these questions. Have you ever forgotten your password? Has your phone ever run out of storage? Have you subscribed to Learning English Topics? Haven't you shared this video with someone else? Write your answers in the comments. Next time we'll learn about the past perfect tense and how to describe actions that happen before other events. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, we may be new, but we're the best English learning channel on YouTube. Like, subscribe, and share this video to help others improve their English. See you soon.